Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the clip and helmet anchor so you know what to fix. Look for hairline cracks, bent prongs, or stripped screws. Remove the helmet liner if needed and unfasten the clip using a small screwdriver. Keep each tiny part in a tray. Once done, compare the clip to a replacement so you decide whether repair or swap is best. Make sure to note the clip orientation and spring placement before disassembly to avoid guessing later. You now perform the core repair. If prongs are bent, gently realign them with needle nose pliers and smooth any burrs so retention is clean. For plastic cracks, apply a small bead of 2-part epoxy and clamp for the recommended cure time. For severe damage, install an exact fit replacement clip. Once done, secure the clip with the correct screws. Rethread stripped holes with a 1/8 drill if necessary, and use a small amount of thread locker to prevent. You finish by reassembling the liner and reinstalling the clip in its original orientation. Make sure the spring seats correctly and that the buckle engages smoothly through the full range. Once done, perform a load test by tugging the strap firmly 10 to 15 times and watching for slippage or deformation. If something still fails, inspect the helmet shell around the anchor for hidden damage. Try swapping the anchor, and if problems persist, seek a professional replacement to maintain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.